2014 was an action-packed year. It had the high-voltage political drama, it had the twists and the turns of an economy coming out of recession, and plenty of feel-good moments for the country. But 2014 largely has been only about hard talk. The Prime Minister's brand of Modinomics is yet to show its magic, especially in the real estate sector that experienced its toughest year in recent times. So who were the survivors of 2014 and who drowned with the property markets? Vasudha Sharma recaps the best and the worst performing markets of 2014 when it comes to property.
अगर राजनीति करनी है तो विकास की राजनीति करें।
April 2014, India stages the largest election in world history. Soon, Prime Minister Narendra Modi rides in like a storm with an indisputable majority to form the government in the centre. In the months that followed, the euphoria of BJP's decisive victory broke the economic lull. The rupee strengthened, stock markets touched new highs, inflation cooled off some steam, and growth in manufacturing accelerated. But this recovery wave failed to touch India's distressed housing sector.
I think every developer is looking towards January 15. It's been a rotten year for most developers.
Delhi's suburban real estate markets that make up NCR battled a rough year and have come out as the worst performing region of 2014.
NCR had an exceptionally bad year compared to all the other markets. In fact, the deal volumes in NCR have come down to such pathetic low levels that it is still debated, but all you know, Pune would have sold more apartments than NCR throughout the year.
Those who played the speculation game and invested in NCR's property markets were left disappointed, as even prime destinations like Gurgaon failed to make money for investors. Unexpected regulatory tangles and a drying cash pipeline strained the execution muscle of NCR's developers, leading to long delays in projects.
A mental paralysis for me. I've stopped living ever since I booked this flat.
The Mumbai metropolitan region, on the other hand, managed to hold ground despite the strong headwinds the sector faced in 2014. Affordable budget housing was the key theme for MMR. Pockets in Thane and Navi Mumbai saw demand from end users and investors because of lower ticket prices and improving infrastructure. Developers in MMR focused on reducing their pent-up inventory, evident in the sharp fall in new project launches in 2014. For investors, Mumbai managed to save face, generating marginal returns, while others in MMR clocked in a correction in prices. For the new year, the growth story in MMR is expected to shift to Navi Mumbai.
When you compare Navi Mumbai, it's a fraction cheaper than Pune. So really from the economic activity and from a living point of view, the companies and people who are working in there are preferring Navi Mumbai and saying is, it's a great place, great working environment, you're still in Mumbai.
And now to the best performing region of 2014. Down south among Bangalore, Chennai and Hyderabad, there's been a clear winner for the top spot.
I think by far, if you have to really talk about the best performing markets, it would be Bangalore. I think it's touching 10 million plus in terms of absorption. So we're talking about Bangalore really overshooting what the expectation was.
Driving growth in Bangalore is robust absorption of commercial spaces, which have attracted a slew of private equity investments. Chennai in 2014 remained true to its stable nature, no spike or sharp drop in prices there, while Hyderabad sustained prices even with a healthy drop in absorption. Now moving into 2015, the real estate markets are praying for a happy new year that will bring in the money and the muscle to deliver projects on time. But for that, the industry will have to re-strategize itself by sizing and pricing their offering in tune with what the buyer wants. In New Delhi, Vasudha Sharma, NDTV.